What's up guys, in this video we are checking out this BlitzWolf GaN charger. It's called GaN Pro. It gives you an output of 105 watt, and the reason I am actually sharing it with you guys is that these days chargers like these, which have built-in cables that go magnetically inside curl automatically, and then you can pull them out so that you don't have to worry about cables. So chargers like these and power banks like these are really into the IT industry. So I thought I should share this one with you because it is a new charger. It popped out very recently on AliExpress and other shopping AliExpress and other retailers like Timo. So I thought I should give it a try. Let's check it out. So this is the charger itself. You have the 15 watt magnetic wireless charger here. I mean, you don't have it will work with iPhone even in this position, but even if you don't have a magnetic charge while like an Android phone, then it will still charge it. You just have to align it. You have a 5 watt wireless charger here, which you can use to charge your earbuds and anything that needs low wattage. Then you have a 20 watt type C output here. Then you have the 18 watt output USB type A. You also have this LED light, which I will show you. It is an RGB style, like it has multiple colors, which we will control with this touch button. And these are the main highlights, these two cables, each one type C, giving you 65 watt power delivery output. These are magnetically attached to the charger, see, so they don't tangle left and right. They always remain attached, even if you like do it something like this. You can bring them out. Each cable is almost a little bit over 26 inch. I measured it, and same for this one. You pull them out, then you give it a gentle pull and let it go, and it automatically goes back, and that's it. So, and it is actually not very heavy. It may feel heavy. I think it is plastic. Feels like plastic to me. It may look metal, but I think it is plastic. Another thing neat about this one, and I actually really like chargers like these, is that it does not sit on top of your socket. Instead, you get an extra cable. It should be here, and it should be around 2 meters, I think. And you get this cable so that this charger can sit right on top of the table, on your study table or desk setup, and you can plug in the socket with this cable. No, it is not 2 meters, maybe 1 meter. So you can easily charge it, so your desk setup remains clean, and also there is less load on your socket, and you can easily carry them because you can detach the wire. So without any further ado, let me test it out. Let's plug it in, and let's first give it the iPhone charge. I have an iPhone 15, and there we go, 15 watt charging. And for those of you who don't have an iPhone or MagSafe one, you can buy a case to make it MagSafe compatible. Like this one, this phone does not have a MagSafe, so I bought the just the case, and you can see it is being charged. And you can also see it here, it is 5 watts, so you can still charge your phone, right? But it is mainly made for earbuds because it is just 5 watt. What else? These are outputs. We are not going to test them. Let me show you the RGB effect. This is a touch button, not pressable, so put your finger on top of it and don't lift it. And if I am right, it should turn itself on. Oh, it is on. See? And if I give it, see, I don't think it covers all the colors. It usually switches between like blue, and there is some red tint somewhere, and then green. So it does not cover the whole RGB spectrum. So it has some patterns, and if you don't like it, you can just turn it off if you're not into RGBs. And what else? Let me measure the wattage, because this is a new brand, BlitzWolf. Many of you will not be familiar with it, and you may think that it is not delivering 65 watt output with these cables that it is claiming. So we are going to test it out. For that, I have this adapter, tiny adapter. It shows you digital wattage, like wattage in a digital number. So we will verify it. I have this power bank, which can take this Duracell power bank. It can take an input of 65 watt, and it is almost like 90% charged, so it will not take full 65%, but we will see. Let's pull it out. Let's see. Okay, it is on, you can't see it, so let me turn off the lights. And let's see if it, yeah, there you go. So we have 58 watt, which sounds about right, because this is the maximum it is going to accept. As you go near the maximum limit of the battery, the wattage input decreases. So it means it can definitely give you 65 watt that they claim. Let's test the other cable as well while we are at it. Give it. Let's see if it goes up to like 56 or 58. And there you have it. So both gives you the same output. So the claims are correct. Overall, it is a lightweight charger. Many of you may not look at it and think that it must be heavy, because it gives you a heavier look, but it is actually lighter than it looks. Let me get a weight machine so that I can give you a weight idea. We are at 0 right now. Let's put it on the center, and so around 338 grams, less than 0.5 kg. So see, it may feel heavier, but it is not, because it is made of plastic. But still the plastic feels solid, so don't be deceived like if it is got plastic then it is cheap. No, they have still made it solid. Again, I don't know how much it will last, but it looks solid on the surface, and I think given its price tag of around 50 US dollars, I think it is a good buy. So if you're looking for a charger, I think getting this one may help you, because you don't have to worry about cables. You can charge your laptop with it, charge your phone with it, charge your phone from here, earbuds here, and all you need to do is just carry this one and one more cable, which is this one, and you should be good to go. No other adapter needed. Anyway, let me know about your thoughts. Take care. Bye.